Hi, kids. Do you know why volcanoes erupt? Well, deep inside the Earth, it's super hot. There's melted rock called magma bubbling under the surface. Sometimes, pressure builds up, like shaking a soda bottle. When the pressure becomes too much, the magma bursts out through the volcano's top as lava, smoke, and ash. It looks scary, but volcanoes help create new land and even make the soil rich for plants to grow. Isn't that amazing? Keep asking questions and keep learning.